Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some dog breeds in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these dog breeds together. Please give it a try. Fox Terrier, Fox Terrier, Fox Terrier. French Bulldog, French Bulldog, French Bulldog. German Shepherd, German Shepherd, German Shepherd. German Shorthaired Pointer, German Shorthaired Pointer, German Shorthaired Pointer. Giant Schnauzer, Giant Schnauzer, Giant Schnauzer. Golden Retriever, Golden Retriever, Golden Retriever. Gordon Setter, Gordon Setter, Gordon Setter. Great Dane, Great Dane, Great Dane. Greater Swiss Mountain Dog, Greater Swiss Mountain Dog, Greater Swiss Mountain Dog. Greyhound, Greyhound, Greyhound. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations would help us greatly. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.